Get ready. Start. It is not merely a question of opposition, but they have also to consider that whatever they say here, whatever action is taken by perhaps the misguided members of their own party, will have repercussions of an absolutely undesirable character, so far as even that state is concerned. That is the reason why I would request my honorable friend to note if he is prepared to accept my advice that whatever he says against the Congress party has its own repercussions, in the first place upon his party members, because naturally there are bound to be overzealous members of his party. Secondly, you and I and all of us have to understand that party affiliations or party feelings should not interfere with the loyalty or the allegiance of our government servants, be they in the Kerala state or in the rest of India, because certain principles have to be accepted when you are going to govern a particular state. Then naturally you have to be careful. What is happening today might be convenient, might be proper, might be expedient from a particular point of view, but it will recoil upon the heads of these people later on. That is the reason why party considerations have to be kept entirely apart from considerations of administration. May I point out here that when under the present parliamentary system of government, a government is formed, then what the party has to do is to work amongst the electorate and try to send to the parliament or the legislature as large a number of its members as possible, so as to enable them to form a government. That is one function of the party. The second function of the party is to lay down broad rules of policy, especially rules regarding the manner in which the interests of the country are to be advanced. So after a government has been formed by the majority of the members, that government naturally, wherever it is, to whichever party that particular ministry or cabinet or government belongs, has to take the interests of all the people into account. It is really a government by the people and of the people. Under the circumstances, we should not at the administration level bring in party considerations at all. I know, sir, that there are certain countries where this party affiliation goes even up to the administration level, and to be an anti-party man is an offense against the administration. That is not our case here, though we have certain parties. The moment a government is formed, all the people in the land are entitled to the various amenities